Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook lasagna from Costco. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Next, carefully remove all the cardboard packaging from your lasagna. It's important to leave the plastic film on during this initial stage. Finally, place the lasagna on a sturdy baking sheet. This simple step helps catch any potential spills and makes transferring it in and out of the oven much easier and safer for you. Now that your oven is preheated and your lasagna is ready, it's time to bake. Place the baking sheet with the lasagna into the preheated oven. Bake it, still covered with the plastic film, for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. After this time, carefully remove the plastic film. Then, continue baking for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's done when the cheese on top is beautifully golden brown and bubbly, indicating it's perfectly cooked through. Once your lasagna is out of the oven, the hardest part is waiting. It's crucial to let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This resting period allows the layers to set properly, preventing it from falling apart when you cut into it. Trust me, it makes a huge difference for neat, delicious servings. For a complete and satisfying meal, consider serving your perfectly cooked lasagna with a crisp, fresh salad and some warm, buttery garlic bread. If you happen to have any delicious leftovers, don't worry, they're easy to store and reheat. Simply transfer any remaining lasagna into an airtight container and refrigerate it for up to 3 days. To reheat, you can cover and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius until it's heated through. For quicker individual portions, the microwave works well too. Enjoy your delicious Costco lasagna again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.